Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video. And in this video we are going to see two software, very interesting software if you want to work with 3D modeling. It is two free software perfect for beginners. So here we are going to focus on two software for beginners in 3D modeling. So if for example you have never worked in 3D modeling, if you want to start with software not very difficult to learn, just to have different type of basics, but also to work with 3D printing, these two software will be perfect for really the beginners. If you like this channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a lot of content about graphic software, but also 3D modeling and CAD software. So the first software that I can propose you, it is Tinkercad. Tinkercad is with Autodesk and it is a free software and it is perfect for someone who is a perfect beginners in 3D modeling. So if you just want to start with a very interesting software for beginners, you can use Tinkercad. You can go on their website, Tinkercad, and after to do on this website, you can see different type of things. It is free, so free for everyone, learn by doing, and as you can see, it is safe because everyone can use this software. And it's pretty fast to start to design anything in 3D because it is very convenient, it's very ergonomic, and it's really made for perfect beginners. So first you can take a glance on their website here. If you go on this area, you can see Tinker and you have different type of options here and you will be able to start 3D design. Why you can see Fusion here? Because for a simple reason that you can work with Fusion 360 when you work with Autodesk. But if you use Fusion 360, definitely it is another level. So it's so much more difficult than to use Tinkercad. So the first software, it is this one. You can also have different access to element, and if you want to start 3D modeling, you just need to create an account and you can work directly online. You don't need to download anything, you can work directly online. So now let's take a glance about the interface. So here you can also play the video if you want to have some information about the Tinkercad preview. But before to do this, I'm just going to show you how to work with the interface. So this is the interface of Tinkercad. As you can see, it's not very difficult. You don't have too many features. You don't have too many tools. So something that you can see on the top left corner, you can have access to the different views. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can also use a grid. You have undo and redo panels. And totally on the right, you have the different tools to work with 3D modeling. So the first things to do, you can choose, for example, a cube, you can choose a cylinder, you can choose a cone, you can choose a sphere, or different type of basic shapes, and after you can work with these basic shapes. So it means you can add a radius, you can add rounded corner on this shape, you can change the lane, you can change the wide, and also if you need, you can create Boolean operation. Boolean operation, what is this? It is to link the object each other, so you can create subtraction, you can add different type of object to create something specific. But with Tinkercad, you can create also industrial part, and this industrial part, after if you have a 3D, you want to print, you can use 3D printing with Tinkercad. It's definitely perfect for everyone who want to start with 3D modeling with something not too much difficult and just to have the basics. So this is the first software. The second software that I'm going to propose to you, it is 3D Builder. One more time, it is very ergonomic, it is perfect for complete beginners. You can go on 3D Builder, it is with Microsoft, and it is an application. It is not totally a software or working online, it is an application. And you can just go on Microsoft, you can search 3D Builder, and automatically you will have access to this page. You can find the description, you have very powerful tools, easy to use to work with 3D modeling. One more time, you can also create 3D content printable. You can also add colors and materials with 3D Builder, and something also interesting that you can do also with Tinkercad, it's to export your work in different files. And for example, you can use STL file or OBJ file. It is two files that we use a lot when we work in 3D modeling or with CAD software. You have also the possibility to create realistic rendering because you have a library of materials, and it's very interesting to use. So you can just go on this area, and if you are interested, you have just to download in the Microsoft Store, nothing more. And let's take a glance about the interface. So this is the interface of 3D Builder, and as you can see, it's a little different than Tinkercad, but one more time, as you can see, you don't have too much features. So concretely, how you can work, you have different type of mode, like the insert mode, where you can add a cube, a cylinder, pyramid, cone, and sphere. You have also the object mode, when you can edit your object, but edit your object with different type of dimensions, rotation, and scale. You have also the edit mode, where it's possible to work more in details with, for example, some faces. You have also the paint mode, where it's possible to add colors and materials, and you can also create different type of renders. If you just go on the bottom of the window, you can see every time when you add anything like a cube or any object, you can work on rotation, position, and scale, and every time you can enter different values. On the right, you will have different options about the selections, and you will be able to see your items on the bottom right corners. Concretely, take a glance about these objects that we are going to create. And if you want to do this object with CAD software, working on sketches like for example FreeCAD or Fusion 360, it will be so much faster to do than if you use Tinkercad or if you use 3D Builder. But it depends of your levels of mastering the software. So if you don't master good Fusion 360 or if you don't master FreeCAD, it can be extremely long to create this type of thing because you don't master the software. And in this case, to use something like 3D Builder because you are a beginner is better. But it's sure, if you master, for example, Fusion 360 and you master, for example, 3D Builder, if you want to realize this type of object, it will be pretty faster using sketches and extrusion in Fusion 360. It will be so much faster. But it depends about your levels, and it depends what you want to do, and it depends if you are perfect beginners. Anyway, for perfect beginners, it is great to start with 3D modeling with all the basic tools that we can use in all the 3D modeling software. And it is definitely very ergonomic to use. And you can also add colors and materials. So it's okay for that. So for perfect beginners, Tinkercad, 3D Builder, it's definitely two great software that you can use. If you want to learn this software perfectly step by step, even if it's software for beginners, I will put on the link on the description below the courses, and the first courses is Tinkercad. And I will put this on the first link on the description below. Tinkercad, the complete course, and when you click on the link, you will be able to have access to this page and you will see the description of the course. For example, for this course, we have 57 lessons and 6.5 hours of video content. And on the left here, you can see the course curriculum, so it means the description of the models and the sessions. Concretely, you will have access, for example, start with Tinkercad, save and export, work in 3D space, use the work planes and rulers, add object, and you have more models and session. When you click on show more, you will see everything that you need in this course. So if I click here, I can continue with all the models and the session of the course. You have also different trainings at the end of the course. So this is a complete course to perfectly master Tinkercad. And on the second link on the description below, I will put this course, 3D Builder, the complete course. And it is the same type of course, but it is for 3D Builder, and you have 54 lessons and 6 hours of video content. One more time, in the course curriculum, you will have the different information about what you will be able to learn. So you have the models and the session of the course. So concretely on the session of the course, just here, start with 3D Builder, create shapes, transform shape, modify shapes, organize shapes, and you can click on show more, and you will have more features like create renders and different type of trainings. So if you are interested to perfectly master this software, you can just click on the description below and you will see the description of these pages to have access to this course. And for our next video on this YouTube channels, see you. Ciao, ciao.